Good afternoon children, welcome back to English subject. This is the continuation of Unit 3, How Tenali Rama became a jester. First I will read the lesson and afterwards I will explain it. Okay? Okay. Just you listen the reading. Unit 3, How Tenali Rama became a jester. In a South Indian village called Tenali, there lived a clever boy. His name was Rama. Once a wandering sage saw him and liked his looks and clever ways, so he taught him a prayer and told him, "Go to the goddess Kali's temple one night and recite these words 3,000,000 times. She will appear before you and give you whatever you ask for." Rama went to the Kali temple outside his village and did as he was told. The goddess appeared before him with her several faces and 2 hands. When the boy looked at her appearance, he wasn't frightened. He began laughing. Angry, the goddess asked him, "Why are you laughing at me?" Rama answered, "Oh mother, we humans have lot of trouble wiping our noses when we catch a cold, though we have 2 hands and only 1 nose. If you, with your many faces, catch a cold, how will you manage with just 2 hands for all those noses?" The goddess was furious. She said, "Since you laughed at me, you will be a Vikatakavi, a jester." "Oh, a Vikatakavi, that's terrific. It's a palindrome," replied Rama. The goddess was pleased by Rama's cleverness that saw a joke even in a curse. She at once became calm and said, "You will be a Vikatakavi, but you will be a jester to a king." And she vanished. In this way, Tenali Rama began to live as a jester in the court of King Shri Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagara. So that's how Tenali Rama became a jester. Okay, now I will explain it. Before explanation, see the meanings of new words. New words. First one, jester. Jester means a person who amuses people at a king's court. Amuses means laughs. A person who amuses people at a king's court. Terrific, wonderful, very good. Frightened, afraid. Several, many. Curse, a wish for something bad to happen to others. Furious, very angry. Vanish, disappear. Palindrome, a word which reads the same even when read backwards. For example, madam, noon. See now, many years ago in a South Indian village called Tenali, there lived a clever boy. This boy name was Rama, since he lived in that village. Tenali, the village name also added. So Tenali Raman, his name was Ramakrishnan, then they added Tenali. Now Tenali Raman or Tenali Rama, okay. Tenali was a part of Vijayanagara, which was ruled by a great king, Shri Krishna Deva Raya. How the Bagalkot is a part of Karnataka? Like that, Tenali was a part of Vijayanagara, which was ruled by a great king, Shri Krishna Deva Raya. Who was the king of Vijayanagara? The king Shri Krishna Deva Raya. Okay. And next, what happens? Once a wandering sage saw the Rama. Wondering means curiosity. And the sage liked Rama's looks and clever ways. So he taught a prayer. Means he taught a mantra. And the sage told him one more thing. What is that? He told him, "Go to the goddess Kali's temple one night and repeat these words 3,000,000 times. After completing this prayer, goddess Kali will appear and she will give you whatever you want." That prayer was very powerful. So the same night Rama reached the temple. He closed the door and began to repeat the prayer. So after few hours, Goddess Kali was appeared in front of him. But this Tenali Rama was not afraid of for seeing her, because she was having many faces. Okay, but he was not afraid of on seeing her, but he began laughing. He started laughing. He began to laugh uncontrollably. The goddess became furious, means she got angry and said, "Why are you laughing at me? How dare you laugh at me?" And he answered, "Forgive me, mother. Oh, mother, when we catch a cold, we cannot stop this one nose from running. We have lot of trouble to wiping our noses. I wonder how you would manage when your 10 noses catches a cold. How will you manage with just 2 hands for all those noses?" Now the goddess was furious, means again she became very angry. Suddenly she gave a curse. Curse means a wish for something bad to happen to others. What was that? She said angrily, "Since you laughed at me, you will be a Vikatakavi, a jester." Tenali Rama replied, "Oh, Vikatakavi, that's terrific." Terrific means wonderful, very good. It's a palindrome. Palindrome means a word which reads the same even when read backwards. For example, madam, M-A-D-A-M. You can read it from the backward also, M-A-D-A-M. Again it comes same. Noon, again if you read N-O-O-N, again if you read it from the backward, it is the same. So Vikatakavi is also like that. Vikatakavi. From backward also, Vikatakavi is also same. Backwards also it is same. See here, the goddess gave him a curse, but still he making a joke for laughing her. So the goddess was pleased, happy by Rama's cleverness that saw a joke even in a curse. Here the curse is turned into a blessing for him. She became calm now and said, "You will be a Vikatakavi, but you will be a jester to a king." And she vanished. Vanished means disappeared. In this way, Tenali Rama began to live as a jester in the court of King Shri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. I hope you understood this story. Notes I will give you in the next class. Thank you, children.